Alright guys, this is Dude Reviews bringing you another review here of the Bveiugn Smart Body Fat Scale. This thing is quite impressive. We're gonna unbox this real quick. On the back, you actually see all these other different details here. The different metrics that it actually takes into account when you use the app that is Bluetooth that connects to this device. It's actually really awesome. All the information it detects. Definitely been using it, keeping track of it with myself. So I think you guys will enjoy this for sure. Alright, you get one scale. That's what it looks like in the back. There's a little piece here that you can actually remove there for the battery. Comes with a complimentary battery, which is awesome and complimentary. You also get a booklet here of the app and then a user manual. So with the user manual for the app, it's actually really dope. I mean, honestly, this is a really cool product. I've been liking it so far. I've been using it for myself, keeping track. I definitely feel like you guys will enjoy it. It took me a while to pull the trigger on something like this, but I was like, you know what? This is my workout. And yeah, it's been helping me out so that I can keep track of my own metrics for my own self, for my own personal fitness goals. So if that's something you're looking to do, I definitely recommend this product. Hopefully this helps out a person who was on the fence, or this might help tip over the scale on buying this product. Enjoy.